Riko and Max want to make breakfast, but something goes wrong in the kitchen.
Riko World, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko World, hooray!
It was a sunny morning in Sunny Forest. Riko wanted to make breakfast for Max. "I will make toast and fruit," said Riko. Riko put the bread in. Max picked the fruit, but Max picked too much fruit. The bowl was too full and everything fell on the floor. "Oh no," said Max. "I'm sorry, Riko." Riko looked at the mess. Then Riko smiled. "It's okay. Let's clean up together and start again." They cleaned up the floor. This time Max picked just the right amount. Riko made the toast. Max arranged the fruit. Together they made a beautiful breakfast. "This looks so yummy," said Max. "It tastes better because we made it together," said Riko. Nana smiled warmly. "When things go wrong, don't give up. Clean up, try again, and work together." Crunch, crunch! Is your breakfast yummy? See you next time in Sunny Forest.
Riko World, come and play with us today. Riko, Max, and Nana too in Riko World, hooray!